It's festival time Samoa with the 33rd annual Teuila Festival 2023, one of the largest celebrations of culture and identity in the Pacific with the theme Beautiful Samoa. It's one whole week of festivities with something for everyone at the Matangialalua Friendship Park, such as choral exhibition, cultural siva competition, siva afi competition, traditional and fun games, variety show, food and handicraft stores, Miss Samoa pageant, and much more, starting from the 3rd to the 9th of September. Come and make beautiful memories together. See you there. Le Teuila lua o lua tolu, mai le aso tolu i le aso ivo se tema, i le Matangialalua Friendship Park. Awane e misia le tele o tauvanga, e pei o le whaalinga o pese lotu, whaafiafianga whaaleanga nuu. Ai la wafi, tauvanga o taalonga whaaleanga nuu. Whale ainga mamea taulima, whaapea sa ilinga o se tausala o Samoa. A fio mai tātou te moli mawina whamanatuina o le Teuila i le nei tausanga i lona sini au tū, Samoa lalele.